Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Three of Pentacles. This is your current energy, Libra. Knight of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. So with this card, Three of Pentacles, if I talk about from a relationship perspective, it seems like you are in touch with a lot of people. Okay, perhaps you want some kind of a clarity about this relationship, about your person. You are talking to your friends, you are talking to your family members, you are taking some advices, some guidance from people, that this person is talking to me in this certain way. What should I do? What they are up to? Okay, so some kind of a meeting and association is happening from your side, Libra. And if I talk about, we have Knight of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy, Libra. It seems like your person is really willing to invest in you in terms of time, energy, emotions, affection, but they are holding back. It seems like your person is seeing from a far distance how my Libra is reacting, how my Libra is behaving in certain manner. Okay, whether I should move ahead or not. Okay, because they don't want to see any kind of bad situation with you in terms of relationship. So they are taking their own time. They are thinking about you. They are taking their own time. They are just seeing you, how you are behaving, what you are talking, how you are making making them feel. Okay, they just want to understand on which level you have put them in your priority list. Okay, now let's see, Libra, what is the mutual current energy between you and your person. What is the mutual current energy between Libra and their person? Isolation. Okay, Libra, it seems like it's your person who is feeling isolated, who is feeling alone, because you are being so busy in your own life. You are being so busy in your own world, with your own people. Perhaps you are not giving them enough time. Okay, perhaps you are not giving them enough attention, and that thing is making them really feel alone. Okay, they are feeling alone about it. They have fear to lose you, basically, and this is the thing which is making them really sick, really tired, and really anxious. Now let's see, Libra, what your person Okay, now let's see what your person thinks about you, or how they see you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Okay. The first card is the guidance card. Libra, your person sees you as somebody who always listen up to your heart. Okay, they feel that you are someone who believes in God, who believes in universe, who believes in divine. Okay, you are someone who believes in universal plan. Okay, if something is happening with me, it's okay. Perhaps on the other hand, I feel that, Libra, your person is seeing you who is a little anxious about this relationship, or little bit of in a confusing state of mind, whether I should move ahead or not, whether I should do something for this person or not. But one more thing is there, Libra, which your person is seeing you, that which perhaps you are not noticing it. There is an angel. You are just experiencing whatever is happening with you in this relationship with this person, but this is something which is guided by the angels. This is something which is guided by the divine. Okay, the current action your person is taking towards you is nothing, because they are busy in doing a lot of comparison. This is the reason they are crying. They are feeling alone, they are feeling isolated, right now this person is comparing themselves with the other person. Perhaps this person sees you that you are someone who is surrounded by a lot of people, okay, lot of people who deserves you more than them. This is the reason your person has started comparing themselves with the other persons, okay. And the future potential, or I would say the future actions which they can take towards you is postponement. It seems like Libra, your person wants to take some action towards you, but they are afraid because they are comparing themselves with the other person. So out of fear they are going to postpone their action towards you. They will think that what my Libra person will think about me if I behave in certain manner, what they will think about me, what they will talk about me, how they will judge me, okay. So a lot of things are happening within their heart and mind, which is leading them this relationship to keep on postponing from their end. All right, okay. So Libra, we have, I believe some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign as well, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay. So Libra, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.